Guys, today we're gonna play Avatar World cause my Tukabuka won't work anymore. Like the mod won't work.
Wow, wow.
The cheat won't work.
Wow, wow.
Like yeah, so okay. So first let's make an avatar. Okay guys. Now I think this. What the heck? This one. And then okay, so this there. Now what should we pick? I think those are fine. But let's change the color. Change it to blue. Nah, maybe brown. No, that's not brown. This one's fine. No. Okay, that's fine. So next is the eyebrows, and she doesn't really have eyebrows. So my okay guys. Okay guys, switch eyebrows. This one is fine. Yeah, okay. And the lips are okay. But I think we need this, or I think we don't need this. Okay, the hardest part is the hair. So let's pick maybe this. This. Okay. We're gonna pick that because that is my hair in real life. There. Now that hair is okay. Now I really like hair clips, so let's put hair clips on her.
Yeah.
Here or here? The bear is okay, so I'm gonna pick the bear. Okay, guys, I'm gonna name her Jasmine. Wait, so
I found
this one? Okay. What am I wearing in real life?
oh mama.
I'm wearing black, but yeah, this should be fine. It looks a lot like what I'm wearing, so yeah. Now I'm wearing pink. This, yeah, there. Okay, guys. Soon I'll be doing RPs in Avatar World. So, guys, I'm not gonna play Tokaboka anymore. So, yeah. I'm gonna be playing Avatar World. Sorry, guys, sorry. Okay, now we're done. Her name is Jasmine. We arrived here. Hi, guys. Hello. Okay. How do you do emotes for her? Wait. What? Oh, here. What's this? Hold it. But yeah, anyways. So we're gonna put her over here. Why? I already created one. Okay. Over here. So guys, I'm gonna find a house for Jasmine. So yeah, let's put her. Oh wait. Let's put her over here. Why can't we put her on the phone? But yeah, anyways. We're gonna find the house for Jasmine. Yo, this one or this one or this one? I think this one. Cause I like it. Oh, we have to organize it. You know what? Actually, I don't like this. It's kind of small. Can we go upstairs? Oh, we can. That's amazing. In Toka Life World, we can't do that. So, I think this one's fine. So, let's pick this one. Okay, so open. Gosh, so many items. Oh. Oh. First things first. The refrigerator. Let's pick. There. Now, this one should be over here. Now, this one's on top of this. And then another one here. And then this one here. And then this one. Okay. Now, what should we do here? Wait, here. And this one. So, yeah. This one should be here. Wait, let's move that over. Oof. Let's move that over there. Now this one here. And this one's over here. I guess. There. Now this. Now this. This. Yeah. There we go. Now this one. How do you open? What? What's this? What? Oh, okay. Sorry guys, it's just because I'm new here. Okay, that. We need this over here. Why can't we put it? Oh, really? We really can't put it over here. Here? Here? No. Let's just put it over here. And the coffee machine. Where am I supposed to put it? Okay, let's put it over here. Now, we need this. Where are we supposed to put it? Like over here? Or over there? Wait. Guys, is this really like this? Guys, don't mind the background music. It's just my neighbors. They're really noisy. Okay. There. Pot. You know what? I'm gonna put this one over here. And then, oof. Oh my gosh.
Oof, 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 oof. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The bomb.
We're gonna put it over here.
No, the bomb, the bomb. The bomb.
And how do you throw this? Where are you supposed to put this?
A pass. A pass.
Okay. Now we need bowls. One. Guys,
Hey, Mama.
why can I not put it? Like, where the heck am I supposed
Where the heck are you guys? I'm gonna pass
I
the
think
bump.
we're gonna put it here.
Ay, mama mo.
This one. Ooh. There. Guys, this is just me, or I'm not really warming up to Avatar World.
No.
Where should we put it? Here? And then this one. This one's over here. And then this one. What the heck? Guys. Where are we supposed to put it? Oh my gosh, here we go again. Why can we not put it? There. Finally. Now this. Then this one. Guys, we really can't put it over there. Like, what should we do? Should we put it here? Finally! Gosh, that took long, no? But, oh wait. Finally! There. Now we need cups like this. There we go. Now that's all set up. I'm just gonna put Jasmine. It's Jasmine. Over. Oh. We're gonna put Jasmine. Why does she have this anyway? What's that? Is that socks? Oh, that was socks. She said she really loves it. Damn. Okay, now just wait there. Guys, what is this? Are you telling me we forgot to put this? Oh my. Sorry, Jasmine. Oh my gosh, I knocked it over. There. Let's close that up. And now, we need this. Okay, there. Only one box. Okay, guys. This one's for the TV. And then, wait. I guess I'm warming up to Avatar World. I really like this. But what is this for?
Freeze
Just
blue.
put it over
Freeze
here.
the blue.
And this one
Freeze.
over here.
I'm gonna freeze.
Wait, where should we put this?
You freeze. I revive you.
There we go. Now we need this.
Oi. Frozen, please help me.
Okay.
Help me. Help me.
Now we need this here. And then this one.
Ay, mama mo. Help.
And this one
Help
here.
me. Help me.
This one there. This one here. Now
Help.
we're gonna put the TV.
Help.
Wait. Where can we put it?
Loading. Oi.
there. For the other side, gonna put it there.
What's the red pen?
Now
I
I
almost
should put
squeezed.
this over here.
Ay, mama mo. Hey,
Now this one. Put this one over here. Wait.
you
Here.
are the last.
Now I'm gonna put this one
Yeah.
over here.
Welcome
And
to the red
the
pen.
trophy over here. It's this picture. We need one,
Ay, mama mo.
2 pillows. What's this?
Yun. Oh. 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 Oh.
Wait,
Oh.
guys.
Oh. Oh. Yan. Oh. 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 Yan. I just breathe.
There. Now
Come on,
I'm gonna
please.
put this over here. I
Yan.
guess.
So many blue
This over here.
things.
This one over here.
Benji
Put
crab.
this here.
Yum.
And let's just not use that. Look, Jasmine's just chilling.
So sweet.
Now, let's go upstairs. Wait. How do you go upstairs? Like, Jasmine, go with me. Now we're here. Just over there. This bedroom. This is her bedroom. Should put that over here. One box only.
Come back in the
Guys, this over here.
slasher. Don't be me, or I will kill you.
Like, what's
Oh,
this?
mama. Oy, the floor is lava. Apugat. The floor is lava.
Guys, what is this? Is this a stair to the bedroom? I'm just gonna put it over here. Next to my bed.
Maala. Slasher.
There.
Don't be me.
Wait.
Don't. Hello, guys. What are you doing?
I really have no idea.
It's the slasher. I will survive this. I know I will survive.
There. What is this? There. Oh. Now we're gonna put this over there.
No, guys.
Guys, what's this? Guys, is this a chair? I'm just gonna put it over here. And then alarm clock over there. Okay, guys. Gonna put this here. And then this one over here. This one is for the feet. Now just gonna put this there. Wait, y'all. I'm just gonna put the mirror like. Gonna put it over here. Over there. Wait, can't. Let's just put it over there. Now she has different types of footwear. Gonna put this one here.
That's a start. That's a
Okay, now a bag. This one here. What's this? Oh, it's socks. Okay, so where am I supposed? Let's just put the socks over there,
bubble gum.
and this one here. This one here too. This one over here. Over here again. These are shoes. And these are footwear. Shoes again. And this. There's no more space, guys. Oh, there. Now close it. Okay, guys. Next. It will just be really quick because I have to shower. Wait, this one's big. I'm gonna put this here. Wait, let's just put this one over here. There. Now this picture over here. Now this here. This over here. Now this one over here.
Peace out.
What's this?
Yeah.
What is this for? Ah, yeah.
Mama. I'm so angry. I'm so angry.
Let's just put this over
Angry.
there.
Peace out.
There. Now where should we put this? There. Now what is this? I guess. Let's just put it on top. And let's put things. A broom.
What did you do?
Let's put broom over here.
No.
And then
Over
what's
here.
this? It's a map. What is this? This is the bucket. Put it inside. Okay. Now there. And now we need towel. There. Toilet paper. And then a comb. And then this toothpaste over here.
Mommy, first.
Why is there two brushes? What's this? I think this is shampoo. Okay, put it there. Oh, it's a soap. Okay, then. I'm gonna put it there. Just put this over here. Okay, guys. Oh, wait.
Blackbirds. It's free.
Okay.
Free Blackbird.
In the next game, we will do a role play. In the next video, we'll do a role play. Bye.